In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can see your data inside of your table. Not going to the local host, just in shell page or in your website, you must not go to your server and see it. You have to write some code and see it any user interface, okay? How you can write it? Let's see. I want access to my local server. Use, let's write it in capital letter, use example database. Now I'm in example database, and inside the example database I have table with customer name. Now I want to see the data inside that table. How can I see it? I can see it by this command, select with star. You can get all the values, all the data inside of that table. Okay, select all the things from customer table. Okay, semicolon, and now let's see. Look, this is my customer table, and with a star you can see all the data inside of your customer table. I have column with customer ID, customer name, and country, and these are the data that I stored before. Now I just want to see the name of my customer. I don't want to see customer ID and their countries. I just want to see customer name inside the customer table. How can I make it? I can write select my column name. What's my column name? Customer name from my database, my table name, customer. Now it only shows my customer name. What does it mean? It means select customer name column from customer table and shows to me. Now it says customer name and shows all of them to me, just like this. If I just want to see country, I can write it like this, select country from my database name customer. Now it only shows the country column of my customer table. I just want to see the customer ID and country inside of my customer table. I don't want to see customer name. I just want to see customer ID and its country. Okay, now let's see. You can write select, and now I want to say that you should show me customer ID and country from my table name customer. Now let's see, it only shows to me customer ID with their country. Now I want to see customer name with country. I don't want to see customer ID. Okay, how you can make it? You can write select your column name. What's the first column? Customer name. With comma you can spread it. The another column is country from your table name customer. Now it only shows to me customer name with their country. This is select statement in SQL.